So I've never actually worked in Georgia before. I've worked in multiple different states outside of California and countries. Um, and it's always fun to sort of go to a new city and not only learn the city and to live in the environment and culture that you're now working in, but to see how I don't want to say interchangeable because that's absolutely not the right word. Every city has its own unique sort of capabilities from a cruise standpoint or an environmental standpoint. But it's amazing how cohesive this industry is and how everything's the same but it's different, it's crews are different all over the world and all over this country. And I've worked in, like I said, multiple cities. Georgia just has a really great, talent base. My process as a production designer really, I, I feel like I've always tried to not be precious about it. I've always tried to let that process be the collaborative process. It's not about the set that you're creating. It's about the image that you're trying to capture. And the set wants to be part of the process in telling that story. And if you get hung up on the set, then you're really throwing cold water on a whole scene or a whole project, I think. I think you really do need to be open to the collaborative process, and it'll just only make it way better. So Georgia lends to this project a great city to work in. It's got multiple different looks. It's got a great crew base. I've not at all felt like we weren't able to do something. It was just like if we had an idea, it was like I never thought, oh boy, we're in Georgia, we're not gonna be able to do that. It's like, no, everything's here. It all works really well. The crews are great.